Okay, you ready?
Look, it's so quick.
Let's go. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at that, we went farther.
We hit the roof.
Oh, that was awesome. Hey, Kenyon. Dumb dog. You're good.
Kenyon to get onto the side of the
Oh my goodness. Whew. That's how it's done. That's how it's done.
We set the record.
Hey, you guys want to see Raven? Come here, Raven. Come here, Raven. Come on, Raven. There we go. There we go. That's Raven. Raven's my wolf. Kenyon. I don't know what Kenyon is. He's dumb and gay. And then here's a stranger dog. Kenyon will probably hump him.
He seems to be nice.
Alright. Cheers. Peace.